131. Your word is Friday. Friday is the start of the weekend. Friday.
Friday.
And the word again?
Friday.
And you do that. The word for weekend is soft. Are your pillows very soft? I like my pillows hard. Soft.
S-O-F-T.
The word?
Soft.
Thank you.
Okay, good job.
Okay. 300 except for 205. Except for 205, any number from 201 to 200. When our clothes are dirty, we wash them in bleach.
Oh, bleach. Oh, susah. Hebat. Bleach. Hebat deh.
So, even though we made the words a bit more difficult, so far now. Okay, Pinan, what number? And any number between 1 to 100. Ada yang lain? 39, no? 200 and... Oh, 299. Penalty. 299, the word. 299, the word is penalty. The player who fouled his teammate was given a penalty. Penalty.
Salah. Wrong.
Okay, so sorry about that.
Apa-apa. It's okay.
And now, third,
Ya, pengumuman jam 2 katanya. Terus kanan.
Ada boleh diwakili Om Teacher ya. Kiel, move here Kiel.
Oke, grade 4 juara 3 Yujia.
Yap, Yujia. Juara 2 kan?
Trofi akan diberikan oleh, kita minta bantuan dari Madam Idin untuk memberikan trofinya untuk spelling bee. Oke, Madam Idin akan memberikan trofi kepada para pemenang spelling bee competition, our first quadrathlon competition 2023. Oke, we start from grade
6. Ini grade 6 Mister.
dari sini.
Iya. Lanjut,
Dari
grade 1.
juara 1 dari grade 1 Gali.
Selamat Gali, juara 1.
Juara 2 Syakif. Dan juara 3 Kena.
Yeah. Congratulations Kena juara 3.
Yeay,
Luar
congratulations.
biasa.
Take a picture together ya. Together, ayo. Ada? Kalau tidak ada, belum teachernya.
Mas Kenan,
Bismillah.
liatin. Tuh, Mas. Juara
Ayo,
berapa, Mas?
Mas
Juara?
Kenan.
Juara 3.